Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I will share how to make yogurt using dry or powdered milk. It is very easy. Just relax and keep on watching. So for the list of ingredients, I have 1 cup of dry milk and I have 1/3 cup of an old yogurt with live and active culture. So once you buy whatever yogurt you want to use as your culture, just look at the ingredients and make sure that it has active cultures. That is what you should always look out for. Then the first thing is to dissolve the dry milk in water, and the ratio is 1 cup of dry milk to 3 cups of water. I would suggest you add your water first before you pour in your milk. That way, the milk will dissolve better, faster, and very easy. So I decided to use my hand blender to just mix it together, just to make sure that everything is completely dissolved, because I want a very smooth yogurt. So after that, turn on your stove and heat the milk. Okay, heat for about 5 to 7 minutes, and once you see the milk begin to foam a little at the top, then you know that it is done. Okay, it is ready. Don't cook or boil it until it starts to boil over. Once you see slight foam by the side of the pot, just turn off the heat and set the pot aside to cool down for about 10 minutes. So at this point, the milk is cooled down a bit but not completely cooled. Okay, then I introduced the other yogurt, which is serving as our culture. Just add in the yogurt and mix everything together. Now, after mixing the yogurt with the milk, transfer it into an airtight container and cover it. Keep in a warm place to ferment for at least 10 hours. I left mine for 24 hours, and the more it stays, the more sour the yogurt will be. So if you like yogurt that is sour, you can leave it for longer. So after that, just bring it out, chill it in the fridge and enjoy. You can add any sweetener of your choice, whether sugar, honey, stevia, just whatever sweetener you like. Just add it to the yogurt. You can also enjoy this yogurt with fruit and nuts, and it can stay for up to 1 week in your fridge. And you can also bring some from this and keep as your culture for your next batch of yogurt. Please give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.